In front of me is VIVO V60 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. Don't worry, I tested it, it will work. Because at the very bottom, you can tap on About Phone section and then tap on this tiny pen right next to your device name. When you see this pop up, type in wherever you want to, in my case Sunny, and hit OK to save your changes. As you can see, after a few seconds, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!